Through AmplifyME's immersive simulations, designed with leading financial institutions, your students experience the analytical engine behind modern finance. They'll complete on-demand and live simulations in Python, quantitative modeling and portfolio analysis, building the technical skills used across data-driven finance roles. Students access everything from their personalized Pathways dashboard, booking sessions from our global calendar. Each simulation is repeatable and structured to build confidence, progressing from foundational concepts to advanced applications. Students begin with technical on-demand simulations, developing core coding skills in Python, and applying quantitative concepts to financial data, building a strong foundation in data analysis and problem solving. At level 1, students are introduced to quant finance in practice, applying portfolio optimization techniques, maximizing returns while managing risk, and using Python to model real financial scenarios. At level 2, the focus shifts to quantitative market applications. Students explore hedging strategies, arbitrage opportunities, and pricing models, using mathematical modeling to understand how markets behave. At the most advanced level, portfolio analysis, students work with large datasets to calculate return metrics, assess volatility and risk, and present clear, data-driven insights through visualization. Students are assessed through detailed performance metrics that measure accuracy, problem solving, and technical execution across each task, giving clear insight into strengths and areas for improvement. The same simulation technology is used by global financial institutions to assess and train their own interns and graduates. Leaderboards recognize achievement, and top performers are invited to join our high potential candidate program and considered for referrals to corporate partners. The Quant Pathway builds practical coding and analytical skills, helping students understand how data drives financial decision-making while supporting universities in delivering stronger employability outcomes.